This 1962 Jaguar XKE 3.8 liter covered headlight Roadster is a matching numbers example out of long-term ownership and storage. It's never been restored. It's an extremely original car. Nice and straight body. Original interior. Been off the road for several years, not currently running, but it's the ideal restoration candidate. Iconic British Roadster. Really exciting find and a really great opportunity to own one of these cars without paying the premium. And you can restore it to your own standards or get it running and driving and enjoy it as it is.